Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, we had a special request to do a seed haul. So, I wanted to show you some of the different seeds that I do plan on planting this gardening season. Now, let me just tell y'all, I could not bring out all of the seeds that I purchased for some odd reason. Last year, early this year, I felt like everybody that sent the catalog that I had to do an order. So don't do that. I didn't have to do it, but it's something about the pictures when I go to looking at them and then like imagining what the garden space is going to be. I was like, ooh, I want to grow that and I want to grow that too. And wow, that would be great in the garden. So let me just tell you that this year I really wanted to do more planting of like different fruits, and I'll show you those in a minute, as well as different beans. And we always do our herbs, and we have some really beautiful flowers that I plan on planting. I didn't bring those seeds out, but just like the nasturtiums, the calendula, the marigolds. I'll make sure I link the video that we did on the new variety of marigolds that we're going to plant this season. And I don't know. I have a couple of things that we started seeds that I have out here that I'll show you in a minute. Make sure you stay to the end because we have a special offer from you at the end only for this weekend. So make sure you stick around until the end. But let me go ahead. Let's get started. Let me show you what we plan on planting this gardening season with our seed haul. Okay, so I almost thought I wasn't going to be able to do this video because the very seeds that I wanted to show you, I could not find. And so during the holidays, when family came, I just kind of gathered up all of the seeds that I had been ordering and just putting them just not in a particular spot, just all over the place. I'll just be honest with y'all. And so what happened was I was like trying to go through and look for some and missing it. But anyway, when things like that happen to me, that lets me know I need to get organized. So I'm going to take some time and organize the seeds that we just ordered so that I don't have to I don't know, run myself crazy, because I'm the type of person where I will turn the house inside out until I find what I'm looking for. So with that said, let me show you some of the new things that we're going to plant this season. We got seeds from Baker Creek, Johnny Seeds, Territorial Seeds, Pine Tree Seeds, Southern Seed Exposure. I mean, I don't know. I just felt like let me just make little orders here and there. But I'm super excited to try the kohlrabi. I've heard a lot of people say they have grown it. Me personally, I have never tasted it. I know it was something big that was over in Germany, but even when I stayed there, I didn't get a chance to taste it. So we're always trying to try new things in the garden. So this is one of the things that we're going to try new this year. I also wanted to try growing a few more beans. Now we've grown the black eyed peas before, and we grow like the standard green beans. But here is a bean, the cannellini beans, that was very, very popular over while staying in Italy, and they made this soup with it that it was so good. So I definitely want to plant these this year. I just only got one package. I hope that they produce a lot of beans, because I notice a lot when you grow beans, you have to grow a lot or either do a lot of succession planting so that you can get a lot. I'll just say that. So this is just one pack, but these are a very good bean and they make a really good soup. I've tried several Italian soups, and then we also are going to try some black turtle beans. I wanted to try these because I don't know if these are the same as black beans, but here lately I really like black beans and I really like to season them with cilantro. And so we're growing cilantro, and I just thought, you know what? This would be something good to try. Now, again, every season we try something new, and we put it in the journal and see how we like it. And so let me show you two of the things that I just really wanted to try this season. The reason that I made a second Baker Creek order is because I was reading online, and we did get the big catalog, and it tells you a lot of history about the different seeds that they sell, where it comes from. So this was the Motherland Okra that I really wanted to try. I will tell y'all, I might try to eat okra again this year. I'd really grow it for my kids. Like, they love it all types of ways, and they eat it, so I grow it for them. And we pickle it, and we fry it, and we, do all things with the okra. So we got the Motherland Okra, and then I also wanted to try the Okinawa pink okra, because we've actually stayed in Okinawa, Japan for 3 years. I can say, yeah, okra is just, it's just not where it's at for me, but it's a very good vegetable to eat. It has so many benefits to it. So that's why I said I may try it again like I may try it again this year. I tried it like later on in my adult life, and I was like, no, still don't like it. Still don't like it. I think I really need to just get over the slime portion of it. I think after I get over that, I should be okay. But I will try it. Like, I'll tell anybody, I'll try anything once. This was a pepper that I wanted to try that was out of Philadelphia. And it has the story on the back, but I really wanted to try these peppers. I do grow hot peppers, but I don't like hot peppers. I grow them for different family and friends, but this is actually a sweet pepper. So I definitely wanted to give this one a try, and I think it just looks really, really pretty to me. So next, remember I said I wanted to grow more fruit. So this year I want to try, I'm not going to mess this name up. It's a melon, okay? And it's like a small melon, kind of like a personal size handheld melon. So I wanted to make space for that. I also wanted to make space for the sugar baby watermelon. I see those. I do like watermelon, and I wanted to try these. I see these in the produce all the time, and I don't know, the watermelon, all of the produce really went up, and they were really expensive. So I said, you know what, let me try growing this. And then, y'all, we're going to try some strawberries from Seeds. Okay, this is Rainbow Treasure. These are strawberries from Seeds. These are from Territorial Seeds. So we're going to go ahead and try to soil block these and get these started inside. And then another watermelon that I got was New Queen, and it actually has an orange flesh to it. It's about 5 or 6 pounds. I think when I go to reading and seeing the pictures, I just really want to try a whole bunch of new stuff. Okay, so real quick, because I don't want to make this video awfully long, I'm just going to lay out the rest of the seeds that we have, and then tell you about the tomato seed that we purchased that we're going to try this year in the garden. But the reason why I like Baker Creek is because you can always find different plants, different vegetables, herbs, flowers that you wouldn't see growing necessarily at your garden center. And they always give free seeds, and they always do different charity sales to support certain charities. So my 2 free seeds that I got, because I ordered quite a bit, was the carrot Saint Valerie, and then we got some Japanese wasabi radish. So I think that's really cool to be able to try. And then we again got some seeds from Southern Exposure. I'll just show you how they come in a package. We got like the herb, it was like the medicinal garden variety, and then we got some other ones that we wanted to try, like some long beans. But they come in a package like this. This is like the medicinal collection with all different types of medicinal herbs, because we definitely want to make a medicinal spot in the garden, because we drink plenty of teas. We dry a lot of the herbs. And then we also use it in our seasonings as well, different herbs. So we got that. And then again, we got quite a bit of tomato seeds, and we have the purple beauty peppers, which I'm excited to try, and then the different long beans. We got like a yard long bean that we're going to try in the garden as well. I'm going to have to find some more trellises or either the cattle panels to put up, because it seems like I got a lot of trailing seeds this season for this season. But before I show you the tomato and tell you about the special that we're having, let me just go ahead and lay out the rest of what I have, and we won't go over it one by one, but this is some of the things that we plan on planting in the garden this year. Okay, so next are these giant crimson tomato seeds that we were able to purchase from M.I. Gardener. And you could only purchase 2 packages. That was it. These are a very rare seed. So I'm very excited to try to grow them in the garden this year. He has videos online about them, so go take a look. But we're super excited to try these in the garden. Okay, so again, we do have more seeds, more varieties, but I thought that I would just show you these because these are some of the new things that we're growing. This is what I wanted to tell you about for this weekend only, okay? Because we are starting lots of seeds. We're starting the last of our early spring seeds, and then we're going to get started with our warm weather seeds in the next few weeks. But do you really know when you're supposed to start your seeds for your area? If not, I am going to put the link in the description where you can get the Seed Starting Masterclass for a special price this weekend only. So make sure you click the link, because as I continue to talk to people, a lot of people are starting seeds, but it's just not time. And if you've already purchased the Seed Starting Masterclass, we've added more content. So we put up 3 more modules that talks about soil blocking, and talking about which method would be the best for you. And we really want you to think about that based on what you're growing in the garden. But these are some kale seeds that we're starting, and then we're super excited. I had to come out here and water these. We're bottom watering it. We have some collards here. We have some red scarlet kale, and then we have some container kale, and this is more collards. So we love growing leafy greens, but I wanted to come out here and bottom water it, and just tell you about the special that we're having. So make sure you know when it's time for you to start seeds for your particular area that you're at, and the Seed Starting Masterclass is going to go over all of that. You will not have any more questions about when you should get started. Even if you should move, you should be able to calculate those dates without any problems. So with that said, make sure you go ahead and take advantage of this deal, because when we've added more modules in there as well, and we thought since we're still getting ready for seed starting season, now would be a good time for you to go ahead, think about what you're going to grow, and then even if you go to your garden center and get some seeds, you still need to know when it's time to start them. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. If you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.